All right. Hold the bar. I have to do it with you. No, don't bend. You're gonna have to step. I don't know, man. It's a fur fucking step. You see it?
Maybe it's too far.
No. Hold on. Look, they have that.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, get to the edge. Stand up and hold the bars like for your life. You got the bars for your life?
Yeah.
Okay, stand up though. Okay, come towards me and stop. No, don't go too far. Get to the edge. More in the center here. Okay, you're gonna do it again, alright?
Yeah.
Use me like a dance, alright? But put these down here a little because you're gonna be going down a little now. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Step down the one that's natural. See, I'm trying to stop that one from breaking. See that?
Yeah.
Stand up.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, get to the edge. Get to the edge. With both feet. Get to the edge of the bush. Stand up. Put this. Alright, hold on, hold on. I think there's one more. Yeah, but there's a thing there, so don't start your talk. Okay, ready? Step down. Step down. Oh! I got you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, okay, okay. Alright. Wait, there's one more. There's one more. I gotta hold you because otherwise you're gonna fall. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh. See, I don't want you to break your other leg on the fucking thing. Here, let me put you here. Okay? Alright. Here. Come over here. Let me do it. Come over here. Hold on a minute.
Where's right here?
Is there?
Yeah, right
There's
here.
one that's better than one right there.
Oh, this is real good.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna do that. Alright, are you straining to stay on the bench? No, just, I have to stay with the near you anyway. I can't just let you. This is too far.
Oh,
you take that. Okay, hold on. Sit where there's no, yeah. Right there. You won't fall off. Swimming is a sport. You're not falling? You need, like, your body has to get out into outside. Your mind and your body. You have to go outside. The walls are like, I don't even think God intended us to even be behind walls like these. You know? Because it's concrete, you know? We're supposed to be outside. We're supposed to be outside more than we're inside. Like inside is only supposed to be when the weather. Shelter was only created when the weather wasn't like it was too cold or too hot. But you're not like on a nice spring day. You're not supposed to sit inside the house when the weather is perfect. You need to go out. Yeah. That's why I like the idea of a bigger house, because you can create sitting areas, you know, like an outdoor patio. Hopefully, a lot of houses have covered patios. We can get a nice cushiony patio set and go eat some meals outside, you know.
I think so too.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like being outside. Yeah, better than anything. Uh-huh. And you go when the weather is nice. But if it's too hot, you can just go for 10 minutes. You can't get too much done. You gotta be careful with that. You should get 20 minutes. If it's too hot, it depends on the ozone. You should get 10 minutes. That doctor told me 20 minutes a day. We should be sitting over here. The sun's right there. You would love it. Let me see. Oh, you should come over here. Yeah, but careful with your feet. Stand up first. Are you on the stair? I don't like you on the stair. I want you to step down. Here. I don't want you on the stair at all. I want you to come this way. I got you.
Wait. Oh, that was the thing.
Yeah. Okay, come on, stand up. Okay, come this way. Okay, let go of that. I want you to sit over there. You see where it says 3.5? Come with me. Follow me. You see how it says 3.5 feet right there? Okay, now first come this way. And then you're going to back your butt into that like area. First come this way, face me. So you don't scrape your ankles on those stairs. Okay, here, this is the post you're going to hold. Look. Hold that for now. And hold this post. Not yet. Here, let me see where the seat is. There, it's right there. Yeah. Right there. Because if it moved that way, if that jet's too strong, move that way. Alright? Okay, now the sun's on you. See? It's right, it's real bright. Yeah, we can sit here under the sun. Yeah. Yeah. Are you slipping because of Joe? Are you slipping?
No, I'm not slipping. I'm sitting.
And there's no like pull?
Well,
This one might be pulling
I
you.
feel the pull, but I'm not going anywhere.
You're not? Okay. You're not moving, you're not sliding?
No.
Alright. Oh, that's fine. I'm gonna put one on your head. And one on my head. You have to pee, so we're gonna get you out because it makes it harder for you.
Yeah, but I haven't.
No. I don't want to risk it. Because then it makes it harder for you to. Here, we shouldn't put our hats on. It's kind of dumb. Yeah, we should just put the towel. We should put 2 towels around both of them. Let me get the towels. Because the hats are just going to get soaking wet.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Wow. Okay,